Hello and welcome to the Natural Healing Channel, where we share natural remedies for a healthy and happy life. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 8 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, is a condition that affects millions of people around the world. It can be caused by various factors, such as diabetes, chemotherapy, injuries, infections, autoimmune diseases, and vitamin deficiencies. Nerve damage can cause symptoms such as numbness, tingling, pain, weakness, and loss of sensation in different parts of the body. It can also affect your balance, coordination, digestion, and sexual function. While there are medications and therapies available to treat neuropathy, some people may prefer to try natural remedies first. That's why I'm going to show you 8 vitamins that may help prevent, reduce, or reverse nerve damage and improve your quality of life. But before we get into the details, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Vitamin number 1, alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a powerful antioxidant that can protect your nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation. It can also enhance the effects of other antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E. ALA may help improve nerve function and reduce pain in people with diabetic neuropathy or chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. It may also prevent or slow down the progression of nerve damage. You can get ALA from food sources such as spinach, broccoli, tomato, and green peas. You can also take ALA supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 600 to 1,200 milligrams per day. Or you can take it according to your doctor's advice. Vitamin number 2, B-complex vitamins. B-complex vitamins are essential for your nervous system function and health. They help your body produce energy, synthesize neurotransmitters, maintain myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves, and repair nerve tissue. Some of the B-complex vitamins that are especially important for nerve health are Vitamin B1. Thiamine. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can cause nerve damage and neurological disorders. Vitamin B1 may help prevent or treat neuropathy by improving nerve conduction and regeneration. You can get vitamin B1 from food sources such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, fortified cereals, and beans. You can also take vitamin B1 supplements in regular or benfotiamine form. The recommended dose is 100 to 300 milligrams per day. Or you can take it according to your doctor's advice. Vitamin B6. Pyridoxine. A deficiency or excess in vitamin B6 can cause nerve damage and neuropathy. Vitamin B6 may help prevent or treat neuropathy by regulating the levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that can damage nerves, and supporting nerve metabolism. You can get vitamin B6 from food sources such as meat, poultry, fish, nuts, seeds, bananas, and potatoes. You can also take vitamin B6 supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 25 to 50 milligrams per day. Or you can take it according to your doctor's advice. Vitamin B12. Cobalamin. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can cause nerve damage and neurological disorders. Vitamin B12 may help prevent or treat neuropathy by maintaining the integrity of the myelin sheath and promoting nerve regeneration. You can get vitamin B12 from food sources such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and fortified cereals. You can also take vitamin B12 supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day. Or you can take it according to your doctor's advice. Number 3. Fish oil. Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and nerve health. Omega-3s can help repair damaged nerves by enhancing nerve growth factor, NGF, which is a protein that stimulates nerve cell survival and regeneration. Fish oil can also lower inflammation and improve blood flow to the nerves. You can get omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, or sardines, or from fish oil supplements. Number 4, Vitamin A. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, is essential for the growth and development of your nerve cells. It also helps your nerves maintain their integrity and function. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to nerve damage, especially in people who have night blindness, dry eyes, or skin problems. So make sure you get enough vitamin A from foods like liver, eggs, dairy products, carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. You can also take a vitamin A supplement if your doctor recommends it. Number 5. Calcium. Calcium is another mineral that is important for nerve function and health. It helps your nerves send and receive signals, and it also supports muscle contraction and relaxation. Calcium may help prevent or treat neuropathy by stabilizing nerve membranes and reducing nerve excitability. It may also prevent or reverse nerve damage caused by high blood sugar levels. You can get calcium from food sources such as dairy products, green leafy vegetables, tofu, almonds, and fortified foods. You can also take calcium supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams per day. Number 6. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in nerve transmission and muscle contraction. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressure. Magnesium may help prevent or treat neuropathy by reducing nerve excitability and pain sensitivity. It may also improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the nerves. You can get magnesium from food sources such as green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, beans, whole grains, and dark chocolate. You can also take magnesium supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 300 to 600 milligrams per day. Number 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can protect your nerves from oxidative damage and boost your immune system. Vitamin C may help prevent or repair nerve damage by enhancing collagen synthesis, a protein that supports nerve structure and nerve regeneration. It may also reduce pain and inflammation in people with neuropathy. You can get vitamin C from food sources such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, and kale. You can also take vitamin C supplements in capsules or tablets. The recommended dose is 75 to 90 milligrams per day for adults. Or your doctor advice. Number 8, Vitamin D. Vitamin D, also known as calciferol, is important for the health of your bones, muscles, and nerves. It helps your nerves grow, communicate, and function properly. Vitamin D deficiency can cause nerve damage, especially in people who have osteoporosis, rickets, or multiple sclerosis. So make sure you get enough vitamin D from sunlight exposure, foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, cheese, and mushrooms, or supplements if your doctor advises it. These are 8 vitamins that can help repair nerve damage and improve your nerve health. However, before you start taking any supplements, make sure to consult your doctor first, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medications. Supplements can interact with each other and with your medications and cause unwanted side effects. Also, remember that supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. You should also eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, manage your stress levels, and avoid smoking and alcohol to support your nerve health and overall well-being. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.